Okay, we've got the gun completed. Still working on the air pressures so we can get rapid fire. But just to demonstrate what it's going to sound like, this is extremely loud. So we've got our oxygen tank hooked up to our solenoid. We've got our propane tank hooked to our solenoid. We've got our electronic controller. Right now we're set to recycle every 0.6 of a second. So I don't know how loud this will sound on the camera because the camera's got some filters to stop it from getting busted from too loud a noise. So we'll see. And that's because the pressures aren't adjusted right. It was getting too much gas. So like I say, I got the pressure set pretty high, way high. So we'll have to work on that, but that's just a matter of fine-tuning the oxygen and the propane mixture.